did this break yesterday, 2021 Contenders first off the line football. 6-box half case PYT break number 4. One of the boxes in the break yesterday did not have the first off the line exclusive red zone auto. So I said that to get that taken care of right away, I'll go ahead and I just opened up a case of Contenders first off the line, took out a box. This is going to be added to that break. So no vet base in this, just like all the Contender stuff, but all of the inserts, rookies, autographs, numbered cards, that good stuff. It'll get we'll ship it out accordingly. So I'm essentially just adding in a box for you guys. So we missed it. All of that stuff from that specific box that we missed the exclusive in will all still ship out to you. And here's the serial numbers if we need to. I'll scroll down. So all that stuff that we ripped yesterday will ship out to you in addition to this. That stuff actually, would that have shipped? No, it wouldn't have shipped today. So, but yeah, so we threw in a box because we were missing the exclusive, because I want to get that cleared up with you guys as quickly as possible, and then I'll just have to deal with Panini about either getting me a box or getting an exclusive. But I wanted you guys to get squared up with real quick on the first off the lines. I mean, in some of the hobby boxes, you're missing an auto or something, it's on average, it is what it is. But whenever you're missing the first off the line exclusive in a first off the line box, FOT box, was, it's like, that's like, absolutely horrendous. We didn't even get an on card. We didn't even get a RPS auto in the box, let alone the first off the line exclusive. All right, no vet base. Traquan Smith for the Saints, NFL Inc. 9/99. Nick with the Saints. Barry Sanders insert. Oh yeah, for sure. See now. These flipped around inserts get you, man. Darren Hall for the Atlanta Falcons. I feel bamboozled. These flipped upside down inserts, man. Hit me right in the heart, man. Right in the freaking heart. Right in the heart, man. Oh. Oh, Jesper. Red Zone exclusive, season ticket, first off the line, Devontae Parker for the Miami Dolphins. Derek G. Cornell Powell for the Kansas City Chiefs. First off the line exclusive red zone. Chiefs going out to David F. was hoping that it was going to be a monster box to make up for missing the exclusive, but at least you guys are cleared up. You got the exclusive. Plus some extra cards too. Oh, here we go. Devontae Smith, 7 out of 25 draft class on card for the Eagles, baby. D. Porter, there you go, D. Porter. 7 out of 25 draft class on card. Devontae Smith, Eagles. Let's go. I'll get a mag for that here in just a second. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Josh Allen. And a Randy Moss Chain Movers. And that is what's going to do her. So again, these will get shipped out to those in the first off the line number 4. Unfortunately missing that one exclusive auto in one of the boxes. Getting you guys taken care of quick here. No. Is this it? Oh man. I need some more of those ones. Those are like my favorite ones. They're like the cheapest ones, but also my favorite for lint rollers. One, two, three left, or 1, 2, 3 top, 4. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. 5. 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. Going into 5. Going bottom. Powell, first off the line exclusive red zone. Devontae Smith on card draft class to 25 for the Eagles. Alright, extra box for Contenders first off the line number 4.